Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, do well by clicking on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the next day on GBP USD. So we clearly can see at first GBP USD was actually trending down. You can see that we are having this price. Market was dropping. Right now, market is now going bullish. This is now an uptrend move. It is a bullish move. But when you see what market is doing right now, you see that this market is respecting this our trend line. So I mean, from this our trend line to here, this is an higher highs. Then we had a pullback and higher lows that came to tap our trend line. We had a new higher highs. Eventually, we had an higher lows. Yeah. If you see this, we can see a new higher highs. The markets give us a pullback to tap this our trend line. You can see it as an higher lows. Now, market has given us a new higher highs. And we what market is the market is likely to come to tap this our trend line. So let's see how it does. There's every possibility it might not come to tap it. There's also possibility that it might come to tap it. But let's see how market does. Then we'll give you guys an update. But right now, when you go to the 4 hour time frame, you see that market is literally dropping. Something like this is a double top here, which indicates a reversal move. So this is a lower lows, and here comes the lower highs. Here is the lower lows. So market is possibly playing for the lower highs. Once the lower highs play out, one more drop will be happening. If that one more drop happens, then we can now start expecting that bullish move to the upside on GBP USD. First, we are expecting that one more drop. So let's see the lower highs to be finished. If the lower highs plays out finished, then expect one more drop before we can now start expecting the bullish move to the upside. Now, if market does not give us that one more drop that we are expecting, and it go ahead to push up to take out this lower highs, it means market will give us a pullback to test it, and it will continue to the upside. Meaning, we will still continue the bullish move to the upside. What market is just doing is just correcting. Market is just correcting. This we are currently at the corrective phase. So once this corrective phase is over, a movement to the upside will be coming. So do well to follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section.